Hey, what's up guys, this is Art, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make $71.52 in 3 minutes or less. Okay, so this video will be around 3 minutes and I'm going to show you how I made $71.52 in 3 minutes or less, and obviously you can make much more money than that. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell for notifications and leave me a comment if you have a question, and let me share my screen right now and let's jump into it. So the website you're gonna go to is expireddomains.net. Now this is a place where you can find domains that are recently expired, so maybe sometimes someone forgot about paying for them, or maybe someone just resigned. They don't want their domain any longer. Now the cool thing is that these domains are worth a lot of money, and you have expired domains right here, you have deleted domains, and you have a domain list where you can just go through it by category. So what I did today, I just went to deleted domains. You have a bunch of domains available, and I found this one, dragonlace.es, and as you can see, this domain is from 2007, which means that we can sell it for much more than what it is available for. So as you can see, it is available, and on GoDaddy we can buy it for €5, which is $7. And the cool thing is that we can instantly flip it for much more. So as you can see, we're gonna pay $7. I went to freevaluator.com and I typed in dragonlace.es, and as you can see, it is worth $78.52. So let's discount the $7. That leaves us with $71.52. That's how much money you can make instantly. And as you can see, you can even order an appraisal certificate that will show that this domain is worth $78.52. Now you don't need it for now, and if you want to sell it as soon as possible for that price, you can go to flippa.com. Now obviously they have a bunch of different things on Flippa, and domains is one of these things that you can sell on them. Now, so if you want to sell a domain on Flippa, just click on start selling. This will bring up to this page, and as you can see, we're going to click on domains, enter the domain, and then click on continue. I'm not going to show you the whole process right now, but essentially you will create a listing. Now this listing is paid, but no worries, I got you covered because I also have some free tools for you that you can use to sell. Now Flippa is by far the biggest website out there if you want to sell domains, but you can also go to above.com. This is a free website where you can sell domains. You can also go to afternick.com, same exact idea. You can also go to NamePros forum. Now this is actually a forum where people buy domains, sell domains, exchange domains, etc. So namepros.com is a great tool as well. You can also go to namecheap.com marketplace and you can list it right there. You can also sell it on eBay, so just ebay.com, and you can also park the domain on Sedo.com, which means that if anyone will go to this URL, they will see that you own the domain and they will be able to buy from you. So guys, that's the video for today, 3 minutes or less, and I hope you're gonna make a ton of money with this. As you can see with the example that I just showed you, you will be able to make $71. So the first person that will actually use this domain and flip it will make at least $71.52, the easiest way to make money online by far. And obviously I just went through these deleted domains in a few minutes, and you can find domains that are expired today, tomorrow, the day after, and flip them for thousands of dollars. So guys, good luck. That's my video for today, 3 minutes or less. I hope you're gonna make a ton of money online this way. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.